Hello guys, this is Carmen Chen from Centimeter. Today I'm going to show you a very cool product that to start your business with. Ta-da! Is the self-fold cable. If you would like to see more interesting products that I'm going to show you, please remember to leave me a like or subscribe on my channel. I don't know if you guys have the same problem as I do, because normally in the house I have all the cables stuck together, and as you can see, this is under my table with all this mess with the cables here and there, and then they are sometimes messed up together. So it's really necessary for me to have this product that they will fold by themselves. So how they fold by themselves, I'm going to show you. As you can see, it's like a normal table. You can use it anywhere, and then when you want to fold it, you can just put them like this, and you move a little bit, and then they fold. They are not losing themselves, they are just stay tight, and then they make it so easy to fold, and then you can just put it in the box, and then this is safe space and it's not mess you up. And a very important thing is this product is very cheap, and then it's a small, even you don't have so much budget to start a business or e-commerce business, you can start with this kind of cheap and small products, and then probably you can have a better sale, then you can think about more. So this is today's product, self-fold cable. If you are interested in this cable, please remember to test me. See you next time.